I don't know what the next clip will be, but get ready to tune in. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a move-in vlog today. Excuse my voice, I literally just woke up. It's 8 in the morning and I'm not a morning person, I'm a night person, so I sound like a grown man. That's gonna go away as this video progresses, but I had to be up early because we had the movers coming to move all of my stuff. So right now we're just waiting on the movers, gonna eat some breakfast, chill out until they come. They're gonna be here, well, they said they're gonna be here in like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna chill until they come, and then I'll show you guys this whole process of moving in. This whole thing has been stressful. I've been stressed out this whole week, so I'm just happy that the day is finally here so that we can move stuff in and I can get settled into my new apartment, okay? So yeah, so I don't know what the next clip will be, but get ready to tune in. Sit down, get a snack. Sit down, get a snack, enjoy. Y'all, I haven't been able to record much, but here's Morgan. We load up the car. We're literally trapped in the snow. This is probably the worst kind of move, but we got our stuff in. The movers came. They moved all my, let me get the light. They moved all our stuff. Now we going to the apartment, okay? All right, bye. Look at mommy, y'all. Y'all, we're at the apartment now. The movers are moving the stuff in. Like, it looks crazy in here. I got stuff everywhere. Look at my bedroom. It's crazy. Parents are here, kikiing in the corner. But yeah, we're waiting to move everything, then we're gonna unpack. What do you want to give? How do you feel about the matter? How do you feel about moving?
Jordyn, stop. I don't want to talk about it. Or does it mean yes?
You're annoying.
Brand new. He's acting like they running, they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trapped you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many races, can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. They the Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. Go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her. She must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it costs arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me pre. I done it all.
Me and Morgan, we stopped to get McDonald's. So the McDonald's up for you. A snack, and then we're gonna go back to the house, continue unpacking.
Left me to the pain, but this not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but this not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your man know if you don't, what's happening? Smoking on that gas, doing biggest coloration. Just like to run they mouth, but I'm the type to run a face. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday. All kind of shit. Let me pull my diamond tester out. Counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding it?
Okay, y'all, so we're all done with the move-in. I do want to give y'all a sneak peek, but I think I'm gonna make y'all wait until the next video, which I'll do like a whole furnished tour and show you guys everything. But we got everything moved in here. We just have to get like a few necessities and stuff like that. But other than that, like, I'm pretty much moved in. I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait. This is just so exciting. Like, I'm living alone. Like, it's me, myself, and I. You know, I love that. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. All right, bye.